National Vice President ka BGP Chauba au ulobu jingkali manu bam kwa bor hadin ka jingkali na kinong tho kubor ba sumbu mitrang ba ka jala ba postun tin song ulo ong ya ka BGP ban mi no nak sarkar lada kam hun.
So I'm not going to comment on these issues because yet to discuss whether it is necessary or not necessary. We have to discuss. This is simply blindly. I cannot say.
But it has been a long.
I have to get the paper first. What is going on? Why it is necessary? Why it is people have a demand? With that demand, these things will be disturbed or not? System will be hampered or not? Many things has to be studied. Because we cannot say that yes, demand is there, you give it. Not like this. And we also blindly we never say that their demand we will not give. Not like this. Because we need to thorough discussion. This is a matter of discussions. Because new things to be implemented require lots of consultation. That we also shock what is going on. So we want to make it really dumb what is going on. We found it's nothing but it is all small creation. We have clarified and I am also very happy because of my maiden visit here. We will support the government. We will be together with the government till the election comes. We have to sit together tonight or tomorrow morning and we will sort it out. This is not a serious matter for us. It is an only, I do not know how it comes up in the air, but we have to rectify it.